How to get Chrome extension on iOS device. So first of all, let's check if it is possible or not. So right here you can see it says there is no way to install Google Chrome extensions on mobile devices onto the official Google Chrome browser. It means it is actually impossible to add the Google extension on your iOS device. But there is a feature on your iOS device where you can add the extensions. What you want to do is simply head over to the settings of a device. Scroll all the way down and simply head over to the application Safari. Inside General, move into Extensions. Well, in this page, it will show you all the list of the extensions that you have added on Safari. But if you haven't any one of it and you want to add, then simply tap on More Extensions. Tons of different extensions will be available to you. For some of them, you have to pay the amount, and also some of it are free. Let me head over to this one and then install it. Once you have installed this extension, all you want to do is enable this app and connect to your Safari, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add extension on iOS device. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.